Hey guys, this is Max from xbim'z world, and this is Ankara. Train ride from Istanbul to Ankara takes 4 hours. Hello guys, so I finally make it to Ankara. Now I will go to hotel. Here is sunny, but it's actually pretty cold. I hope I like the city and you will enjoy the video. Good morning guys, this is another day. Yesterday I couldn't make vlog because I was very tired after train, and I basically I went to the hotel and and slept all day, but just in the evening I walked just a little, and now I've seen Russian embassy, seen some parks around in south area of Ankara, and now I'm heading to the Atatürk tomb, to the Mausoleum. So I hope this day I can catch more stuff. So let's go.
Evet, bu alanda açalım, sağa sola açılalım.
So now I'm walking around in the Atatürk Mausoleum. It's a good point. The good thing about it, the entrance is free. And today weather is so good and so clear sky. So it's like opportunity for photos. I just visited the Atatürk Mausoleum. It's a pretty great place because it's located on a hill. You can see all the city around it. Also, it has a history. It has, because this person was very important for the Turkish Republic, and the architecture is very interesting. So I recommend to visit it if you'll be in Ankara. But I'll go to another part of the city to see more. Behind me is the Korean park, and all the titles here are either in Turkish or Korean, but it looks like it is a park about the people who died in the Korean War in the 50s. So it's a kind of beautiful place, but also sad. So here's one more park. On the way to the fortress, there was a beautiful mosque. So I'm almost at the Ankara fortress. I find this spot. It's like very, like the fortress is just right here, and it has has a very great view on the city. Like very different city from this point. There's like very old buildings, very dirty, and there more interesting. There's like a lot of buildings. Ankara looks pretty great from here. Very different city, has a lot of vibes from like very Middle Eastern and also a lot of modern style. So let's get look better at it from the skies. So right now I'm almost at the fortress, and from here there is a great view on the whole city, but there is like a couple of steps to get there, and I'll go try it. In the area of the fortress there is a lot of old buildings around here. So I guess it is the final moment. I see here is mostly not a fortress, but not much left from it, because I think here some of it are destroyed, some of it are rebuilt, but there is a lot of garbage, so you know it's not very touristy. But still, it was interesting climb here, an interesting old town. It turns out the new rebuilt part of a fortress located in another place, so I went there. Here is more touristic place, it's like the main entrance, look better. So I was there. And now I'm at a tourist place which is fully rebuilt, the main part of the fortress. And you know, this is the entrance for it. But I went from there, so I was like going out from official, so I found that one first, and that one is not that rebuilt. So you see, here's like a lot of old buildings inside the fortress. It has like local charm. So pretty cool. And there's a cafe. It's a fantastic view from the. Here you don't need. So this is the top of the fortress with a very beautiful view. You can see it yourself. So yeah. So behind me you can see all of the city. It was a wonderful day today. I visited such interesting places and climbed this hill with a fortress from which I saw the whole city. It was really great view. Really. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like or thumbs up, and subscribe if you like more, or comment if you want to advise me how to make this video better.